Have you ever wondered why selenium and zinc are such key players in combating colds and flu? Well, you're about to find out. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Nillie Teymouri. Here, we will discuss various health-related problems that patients have asked about. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. So, selenium and zinc, though small elements on the periodic table, pack a powerful punch in the world of health. These trace minerals, found in various foods and supplements, play a crucial role in maintaining and boosting our immune system. Diving into the science of it, selenium acts as a catalyst for the production of active thyroid hormones. Your thyroid, in turn, controls numerous bodily functions, including your immune system. Selenium also assists in the creation of selenoproteins, which help prevent cellular damage from harmful compounds in your body. This protective function is crucial for an effective immune response. Zinc, on the other hand, is pivotal in the growth and function of immune cells. It's involved in multiple aspects of the immune system, from the skin's defense system to gene regulation within lymphocytes, which are a type of white blood cell. Zinc deficiency can lead to a weakened immune response, leaving the body vulnerable to infections like colds and flu. Additionally, zinc has an antiviral effect. It inhibits the replication of certain viruses, including the ones that cause common colds. So, when you're popping that zinc lozenge at the first sign of a sniffle, you're actually helping to stop the virus in its tracks. Now let's pull the threads together. The importance of selenium and zinc in combating cold and flu stems from their crucial roles in the immune system. Selenium aids in the production of protective proteins and supports thyroid function, which in turn manages your immune system. Zinc contributes to the growth and function of immune cells and has an antiviral effect that can inhibit virus replication. But remember, balance is key. While selenium and zinc are beneficial, they should be taken in appropriate amounts. Too much or too little can lead to health problems. Always consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. So, the next time you find yourself reaching for a supplement or planning a meal, consider the power of selenium and zinc. These mighty minerals could be the key to keeping those pesky colds and flu at bay. And now you know the science behind it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more health-related discussions.